Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS Academy. I hope you are enjoying the foundation courses. My dear students, we at IMS Academy have come up with the foundation series to educate you regarding the basics required for a particular subject for GATE preparation. Now as part of this, I have started myself Sandeep Adari, have started geotechnical subject and I have covered properties of soil. We have discussed the definitions and we also have discussed the important formulas in this chapter. So before going to discuss the problems, let me introduce what we do at IMS GATE Academy. We at IMS GATE Academy offers offline GATE coaching, online GATE coaching and self-recorded sessions. My dear students, we are offering 800 plus hours of GATE coaching. We are providing the offline GATE coaching at Jayanagar and also at Malleshwaram in Bangalore. My dear students, we are the only institute who is providing the offline GATE coaching at Andhra Pradesh, and we are located at Vijayawada near Ben Circle. My dear students, why IMS GATE Academy is one of the favorite academy. We are providing the successful book, like for the successful students, they require subject-wise material, and we are also providing them the exercise books. In the exercise books, we are providing level 1, level 2, level 3 questions. And in these questions, it covers the variety of questions like multiple choice question, multiple select question, and we are also providing them the NIT questions. Now, my dear students, we at IMS GATE Academy have come up with a wonderful product, GATE question booklet, which covers 34 years of solutions, previous year GATE solutions. And remember, my dear students, the beauty of this book is we have given the key pointers. Along with that, we have provided the alternative solutions, and we also have provided the QR code for the difficult level questions. And remember, my dear students, whenever we are providing this GATE question booklet, see, just go through the booklet, you will have the glance of what we have done in the GATE question booklet. Coming to the mentorship sessions, my dear students, the IMS GATE Academy, for every student's success in this entire journey, we have observed that mentorship sessions are very helpful for the students to identify the strength and weakness, and where the weakness can be converted into strength. And coming to my dear students, we are providing the doubt solving portal, and the doubt solving portal, you can say, we are providing them like within 24 hours of time, the entire doubt will be clear, or if necessary, video solution will be also provided for that doubt. And remember, my dear students, we follow learn practice test. And remember, my dear students, testing at every stage is very important, or every juncture is very important. So we are providing 130 plus tests, which includes chapter wise test, subject wise test, and also we includes advanced level test. And if you are done with 2-3 subjects, we are also providing you the multiple subject test. Now, my dear students, once you are in the revision and once you have completed the syllabus, you have to test yourself with the All India mock test series, which will be replica or the same environment as we do in the GATE exam. So we are providing 12 All India mock test series also. It will like the software and whatever the virtual calculator, everything will be a replica of the GATE exam, so that you will be habituated to the exam. So these are all we are providing, my dear students. So students, if you have any queries, and if you are a native of Bangalore, or if you are any other place, we are also providing the online GATE coaching. So my dear students, education advisor Mr. Rahman is the right person to guide you in this. So he will be sitting at Jayanagar office, and you can visit him, or here we have the contact numbers. If you see here we have the contact numbers. You can contact Mr. Rahman, and he will be guiding you what are the things we are providing at IMS GATE Academy. So I don't want to waste your time, my dear students. So quickly we'll go into the concepts. So in this session, I would like to cover all the previous year GATE questions based on the concepts and based on the foundation what we have discussed on the properties of soil. So here is the first question, my dear students. The first question is GATE 2021. The question is, a partially saturated soil sample has a natural moisture content of 25%. So here, my dear students, if you see, the water content is given as 25%. And the bulk unit weight is given as how much, students? The bulk unit weight of 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube. The specific gravity of the soil solids is 2.65 and unit G is equal to 2.65. The unit weight of the soil on fully saturation is. Are you getting, my dear students? Here what they have given you, a partially saturated soil sample has a natural moisture content of 25%. So he is asking, in this problem, my dear students, he is asking what is the saturated unit weight. Okay, now here let me tell you one important thing, students. Gamma, if you see, gamma is given by the formula gamma W into G plus E into SR upon 1 plus E. Okay. Now, my dear students, let me tell you, here you know already E into SR can be written as water content into G. Because in this problem, they have given the water content. So, water content is how much, sir? If you see here, water content is given as 25 percentile. And G is given as how much, sir? G is given as 2.65. So, if you substitute here, you will get water content E into SR can be written as 25% means 0.25 multiplied by 2.65. Okay. So, here gamma W is what, sir? Gamma W is equal to 9.81 into G. Are you following, my dear students? So, E into SR can be written as what, sir? G plus E into SR can be written as water content into G upon 1 plus E. Okay. Are you clear, my dear students? So, this can, because why I have written here? 9.81 is nothing but the unit weight of water. 9.81 is nothing but what, my dear students? It is nothing but the unit weight of water. So, here you can write 9.81 into G. G is nothing but 2.65. Okay, I have taken the common. 1 plus 0.25 upon 1 plus E. They have given the bulk unit weight, I think. See, students, what is the bulk unit weight they have given you? They have given the value as 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube. They have given as what, sir? 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. Are you following, my dear students? What I have used is gamma is equal to gamma W into G plus ESR upon 1 plus E. Here what I have done is instead of E into SR, I have taken water content into G and I have done that. Now my intention here is how to find out the value of E. So let us do that, students. Let me use the calculator here. So here, see, students. See, we can do in this way. Okay. 18.5 divided by 9.81 into 2.65. Okay. 9.81 into 2.65 is how much, students? You get a, sorry, 18.5 divided by 9.81 is equal to some divided by 2.65 is equal to how much, sir? This is equal to 0.711. Again, 0.711 divided by 1.25. So it will be 0.569. So what is the value of void ratio here? Void ratio you can take it as 0.569 or 0.57. Okay, now what he is asking in this problem is, he is asking what is the value of gamma sat. Saturated unit weight he is asking. Now saturated unit weight can be written as gamma W into G plus E upon 1 plus E. Okay. Now what is the value of gamma W, my dear students? 9.81 into 2.65 plus how much we got the value of E? It is 0.57 divided by 1 plus 0.57. So what is the value of E? We got 0.57. Now see students, let me solve this. We can do this problem in other way also, simple way. So here 2.65 plus 0.57 divided by 1.57 is 2.05 into 9.81. 2.05 you got around 20.11 kilonewton per meter cube. What is the value, sir? You got 21.1 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. Is this clear, sir? Very good, Arvind. Very good. Now let us go into the next question, Amma. The question here is, a soil is having a dry density of how much, sir? 15.55 kilonewton per meter cube. See students, here a soil is having a dry density of how much? A soil is having a dry density of 15.55 kilonewton per meter cube and 2.65 specific gravity, and the degree of saturation is 72%. Consider the unit weight of water as 10 kilonewton per meter. The water content of the soil is. Now see students, he has given dry density is how much, sir? See students, here if you solve this problem, my dear students, are you following? Here dry density gamma D is given as how much, sir? Gamma D is equal to 15.5 kilonewton per meter cube. This is dry density. Okay. Now what is the value of specific gravity? It is 2.65. Specific gravity is given as 2.65. Now I told you, my dear students, here gamma W, he is telling to assume gamma W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Arvind, if you have any doubts, please ask me, sir. These are all the given data. Agree, sir? Good evening, Rocky. Good evening. So here, what do you mean by gamma D here? My dear students, see here. Here, please understand here, gamma D is equal to gamma W into G upon 1 plus E. Okay, this is the formula. I hope you are clear. Now, what is gamma D given in this problem, sir? It is nothing but 15.5 and gamma W is given as 10. G is 2.65 upon 1 plus E. So, my dear students, what will be the value of E, sir? Can anyone tell me what is the value of E? Here, by calculating that, what is the value of E? You can say 26.5 divided by 15.5. So, it is equal to, if you see, E value will be equal to how much, sir? E value will be equal to 0.709, which you can write it as approximately 0.71. Everyone got the same value, sir? Any doubts in this? But what he is asking in the problem, my dear students, he is asking what is the water content. Degree of saturation is how much? So see, E is equal to water content into G upon SR. Okay. Now degree of saturation, Rocky, Arvind, are you following? Any doubts in this? Now degree of saturation can be taken as E into SR, water content can be written as E into SR upon G. What is the value of E, sir? 0.71. And what is the value of degree of saturation? 0.72. Given in the problem that degree of saturation is 72%. So here we can write it as 0.72. Okay, upon G is how much, sir? G is nothing but 2.65. Now please tell me what is this value. Now what is this value? Tell me, sir. 0.72 into 0.71 divided by 2.65. This is equal to 0.1929. If they ask you in percentile, the water content is given by 19.29 percentile. Are you clear, Arvind and Rocky? Now see students, what are the key pointers in this problem? If you talk about what are the key points in this problem, key pointers in this problem, I will tell you. we have to be aware of two formulas. What are the two formulas, sir? Very good, very good. Gamma D is equal to gamma W into G upon 1 plus E, and similarly E is equal to Wg up water content into G upon SR. So these are the key points where you have to be aware in this problem. So my dear students, I hope you are clear with this problem. Can I move on to the next problem, sir? Now see students, a sample of 500 grams dry sand, when poured in a graduated cylinder, into a 2-liter cylinder capacity, which is partially filled with water, displaces 188 centimeter cube of water. What is the density of water is 1 gram per cc. What is the specific gravity of the sand? Are you clear, my dear students? Please go through this question. A sample of 500 gram dry sand poured into a 2-liter capacity cylinder which is partially filled with water displaces 188 centimeter cube of water. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. The specific gravity of the sand is. How to solve this problem? So let us try this problem, my dear student. So here, when I talk about this, now see students, when I talk about the solution here, what do you mean by specific gravity? Specific gravity is defined as, it is the ratio of unit weight of solids to the unit weight of water. What is specific gravity? Very good, Arvind. So here it is, gamma S is nothing but what, sir? Gamma S is nothing but unit weight of solids. What is gamma S, sir? Gamma S is nothing but we call it as unit weight of solids. What is gamma W? Gamma W is nothing but unit weight of water. What is gamma W, sir? Gamma W is nothing but the unit weight of water. So here see students, now when I talk about specific gravity here G, you can write gamma S as weight of solids by volume of solids into gamma W. Okay. Now in the question they have given weight of solids is equal to how much, sir? 500 grams. Okay. Now see students, I would like to tell you why volume of solids is equal to, here volume of solids is equal to how much, sir? 188 centimeter cube. Sir, see, please remember here students, there is one logic, Rocky and Arvind, please understand this. According to the Archimedes principle, the amount of water displaced will be equal to the volume of solids. I have told this note in foundation lecture 1, if you see that. So, based on the Archimedes principle, remember always that volume of solids is equal to water displaced. Sir, this is the key point I can say. This is the key point in this problem I can say, my dear students. So please make it as a note that this is a important note. How do you find out volume of solids? Volume of solids is nothing but the water displaced. So here if I take 500 gram per volume of solids is 188 centimeter cube into 1, this is centimeter cube, into 1 gram per centimeter cube. So this is also, these units are also in centimeter cube. So the final answer here will be equal to 2.66. I hope you are clear with this answer. Any doubts in this, sir? Rocky and Arvind, are you clear, sir? Rocky, please respond. Is this answer clear for you? Arvind anyhow has answered it. Very good. Arvind, you have to understand the concept behind it. Gamma S by gamma W, weight of solids by volume of solids. And remember, my dear students, here what I would like to tell you here is, the volume of the solids is nothing but the water displaced. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now, we have another interesting question. The porosity and the degree of saturation of a soil are 0.7 and 40%. The porosity and the degree of saturation of a soil sample are 0.7 and 40% in a 100 meter cube of soil. then the volume of air will be. So here see students, in the question what they have given is porosity is given, N is equal to how much, sir? 70, like 70 percentile, or you can write 0.7. Porosity is given as 0.7. Similarly, degree of saturation is given as what, sir? Degree of saturation is nothing but what, my dear students? It is nothing but ESR. This is given as how much? 40 percentile, or you can write it as 0.4. Total volume is given as 100 meter cube. Now, my dear students, what he is trying to ask here is, he is trying to ask what is the volume of air. Okay. Now, this problem I will tell in a simple way, and I will do the alternative solution also. Now, my dear students, percentage of air voids can be written as porosity into air content. Agree or not? Percentage of air voids can be written as porosity into air content. Now, my dear students, air content plus degree of saturation is equal to 1, or you can write it as, in percentile it is 100 percentile. Okay. Now, what is air content, sir, here? Here degree of air content you don't know. Air content plus degree of saturation is 0.41. So, air content is equal to 0.6. Air content is how much, sir? 0.6. Agree? Very good, Arvind. Now, here, if I write here, Na is equal to porosity into air content. Now, what is porosity, sir? It is nothing but 0.7. What is air content here? 0.6. So, 0.7 into 0.6 is 0.42. Now, what is the actual definition of percentage of air voids? It is nothing but volume of air upon total volume is 0.42. So, here my dear students, when I talk about the volume of air, it is nothing but 0.42 multiplied by V. So, you can write 0.42 into 100. This is nothing but 42 meter cube. Any doubts in this, sir? Very good, Arvind. Very good. I really appreciate you, Arvind and Rocky. You are trying to respond for every question. That is a very good sign. Sir, see, here I will try to solve this problem in the other way also. You got 42 meter cube. That is 1 second. Now, what is N? Volume of voids by total volume. This they have given as 0.7. Okay, total volume is equal to how much, sir? 100 meter cube. So, my dear students, volume of voids is equal to 0.7. I am doing with another alternative approach. So, volume of voids is equal to how much, students? This is equal to 70 meter cube. Agree or not, sir? Is this clear or not? Now, you know what is the volume of voids here. Now, what they have given? Degree of saturation. Degree of saturation is volume of water by volume of voids. Volume of water by volume of voids is given as how much? 40 percentile, or you can say 0.42. So, here my dear students, volume of water by volume of voids. Voids is how much, sir? Nothing but 70 is equal to 0.4. If you solve here, volume of water will be equal to how much, sir? 28 meter cube. How much you got? 28 meter cube. Now, my dear students, you know volume of voids is equal to volume of air plus volume of water. Volume of voids is 70, volume of air you don't know, and volume of water is how much, sir? 28 meter cube. So, volume of air will be equal to 70 minus 28, that is also equal to 42 meter cube. This is according to the definitions. This problem we can solve according to the definitions. Any doubts in this, sir? Both approach I am trying to explain you. Okay. Now, here we have another question. A 588 centimeter cube of volume of moist sand weighs 1001 1010 grams. Its dry weight is 918 grams and specific gravity is 2.67. Assume density of water as 1 gram per cc. Okay, sir? See, here, are you following, students? Please read the question here. A 588 centimeter cube of volume of moss sand weighs 1010 grams. Its dry weight how much, sir? 918 grams. So let us see here. What he has done here is, sir, all these are previous year gate questions only. What is the dry weight, sir? The dry weight is given as how much, my dear students? The dry weight is nothing but equal to 918 grams. Okay. Here if you see, the dry weight is 918 grams, and if you see here, the total volume is given as how much, sir? 588 centimeter cube. Now, my dear students, let me tell you one important thing, sir. What do you mean by dry density? Can anyone tell me? What is the definition of dry density? The dry density is nothing but represented as gamma D. So, gamma D is equal to weight of solids by total volume. Sir, 1010 grams. It has, if you see here, you cannot take this. Because, see students, you cannot take this because this is containing water also. But in dry soil, we take only the weight of the solids. So you can take here. What is the value? Can anyone tell me, sir? Gamma D is equal to 918 divided by 588. What is the value you got, my dear students? Anyone? What is the value you got? 988 divided by, 918 divided by 588. So you'll get 1.56 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now in this problem, my dear students, very good, Arvind. Now in this problem, what they are asking? Gamma D is equal to gamma W into G upon 1 plus E. Okay, this is the standardized formula, you can say. This is the standardized formula, my dear students. Now if you see here, this is the standardized formula for gamma D. Okay, now here what is the values given here? So here gamma D is equal to 1.56. Gamma W is 1 gram per cc. Now my dear students, you should be very careful. Rocky, you have to check your answer. G, specific gravity, G is equal to 2.67 divided by 1 plus E. So here if you solve this, what will be the value of E, anyone? So you can write here 2.67 divided by 1.56. It is almost the void ratio, whatever you got here is 0.71. This is the answer you can write. So I hope you are clear. Rocky, please check the values. If you might have taken 2.65, it is not 2.65, it is 2.67. And here also please check it. You will get the right answer, Rocky. Okay, still if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Sir, here people will follow very difficult approach. Like G is equal to gamma S by gamma W. Again, weight of solids by volume of solids. Finding the volumes and trying to do the problem. This is not required. This is the best approach for this problem. Now, please understand here, my dear students. See, a sheet of water thickness 1 meter is available to fill the voids of a cohesionless soil, and degree of saturation is how much, sir? 80 percentile. The soil has a void ratio of 0.5. What, sir? Degree of saturation is 18 percentile. Sheet of water. Find the thickness of the soil layer to accommodate the amount of water. Okay. Sir, degree of saturation is 80 percentile. Please read the question, students. Here, a sheet of thickness 1 meter is available to fill the voids of cohesionless soil to a degree of saturation 80 percentile and void ratio of how much, sir? 0.5. Now see, students. Okay. Now see students, here what I would like to tell you here is, this is solids, okay, this is, you can say, air and water. Now see students, if you assume area is constant, actually we are telling void ratio is means what, sir? Volume of voids by volume of solids. Now what I can write here is, if the assume area is constant, because in the problem we have to do that. Assume area as constant. Or you can take assume area as 1 meter into 1 meter or something, or you can assume area as constant. Now if the area is constant, the void ratio can be written as depth of voids by depth of solids. Okay. Similarly, degree of saturation will be taken as depth of water by depth of voids. Okay. Now see students, what they have given is a water sheet of thickness 1 meter. Okay, you can say here, this is the depth of the air, this is the depth of water, and you can write this is the depth of solids. Okay, I hope you are clear, my dear students. So actually these formulas, whatever these formulas I am writing here, these formulas will definitely help you. Okay, now see students, what do you mean by degree of saturation here? Degree of saturation is nothing but depth of water by depth of voids. Now degree of saturation is given something, sir. See, degree of saturation is given as 0.5. Degree of saturation is given as how much, sir? It is given as 0.5. Okay. Now my dear students, depth of water is 1. Sorry, 80 percentile. This is 80 percentile they have given. 0.8. Agree? Now depth of water is given as 1. 1 upon 0.8 is equal to how much, sir? Depth of voids. So here depth of voids is equal to how much, sir? 1.25. Whatever the depth, 1.25 meters. You can write what is dV, sir, here. If anyone is having any doubt, depth of voids. Sir, here see, my dear students, let me tell you how to replicate this. Okay. Sir, see, if you have a water bottle, suppose if the water bottle is there, now if the water is half liter, if the water is 1 liter, what it is reducing? Only the depth will be reducing. The cross section will be same, right? Sir, you might have Arvind and Rocky, you might have think why sir is explaining in terms of depth. Sir, if I taken a water bottle, if you take volume is always written as what, sir? Volume is always written as area into height. Okay, using this concept, I assumed area is same. That is the reason I got like this. Okay, now if I talk here, void ratio is nothing but what, sir? Depth of voids by depth of solids. Okay, now my dear students, depth of solids is equal to depth of voids by void ratio. What is the depth of voids is how much, sir? 1.25 divided by void ratio is 0.5. So this will be equal to 2.5 meter cube. But the answer cannot be 2.5 or 1.25. He is asking what is the total depth. Total depth can be written as depth of voids plus depth of solids. That is equal to 1.25 plus 2.5 is equal to 3.75 meter cube. Okay. Is this clear, my dear students? Any doubts in this? Is this clear, sir? Any doubts in this? Okay, very good, very good. Now let us see. This is a classical problem, Amma. It is an IES question. Please read this question. If a soil sample of 0.18, what sir? If a soil sample of, here my dear students, here a soil sample of 0.18 kg having a volume of 10 power minus 4 meter cube and a dry unit weight of 1600 kg per meter cube is mixed with 0.02 kgs of water. Then what is the final water content? Okay sir. Then what is the final water content? Very good Arvind, very good. Sir, see, first of all, in any exam, my dear students, it's my sincere advice, try to read the question carefully. So here given dry density, if I talk here, given dry density is how much sir? Dry density is nothing but 1600 kg per meter cube. Agree or not? Given dry density is equal to 1600 kg per meter cube. Okay, and remember here, volume is given as 10 power minus 4 meter cube. Now my dear students, how to find out weight of solids? Gamma D is equal to weight of solids upon total volume. So my dear students, if you have any queries related to the GATE preparation, we at IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel, we are providing the post-GATE guidance, means how if you have secured any good GATE rank, you can follow our videos to identify for which marks, which specialization and all regarding IITs or NITs. And for the students who are preparing for GATE 25, the entire roadmap for the GATE will be discussed. As I informed you in the earlier, Rahman is the education advisor. You can contact him at Jayanagar office. He'll be helpful. Okay. Now it is weight of solids by total volume. Now see students, weight of solids can be written as gamma D into volume. What is gamma D sir? Here you can write it as 1600 into 10 power minus 4. So this will be equal to 0.16 kg. So what is this value sir? Weight of solids is equal to how much? Weight of solids is nothing but 0.16 kg. So here you know weight of solids is 0.16 kg. Total weight given in the problem here is 0.18 kg. Now my dear students, how to find out the weight of water? How to find out the weight of water? Weight of water is equal to 0.18 kg minus 0.16 kg. This is equal to 0.02 kg. Agree students? Now see, understand here students, this water, again if you see, another 0.02 kgs of water is added. So the total weight of water will be equal to how much sir? Total weight of water will be equal to 0.04 kgs. If you have any doubt, I will show you the question sir. See, in the second line, it is mixed with, please understand here, it is mixed with 0.02 kgs of water. So again, there, yes, very good Rocky. Here again they are adding 0.02 kgs of water and it will come it as 0.04 kg. Now my dear students, what is water content sir? Water content is nothing but weight of water by weight of solids. And remember see students, weight of solids or dry weight both are same and you have calculated it as 0.16 kg. And remember you told me weight of water you have got it as 0.04 kg. Now see my dear students, if I calculate here water content can be written as 0.04 upon 0.16. So this will be equal to 0.25 and if they ask you in percentile, just multiply with percentile and you will get the answer. So here this is equal to 25 percentile. Very good Arvind. Very good Rocky and very good Arvind. I hope you are clear. Is this clear sir? Any doubts in this? Now, let us see this question my dear students. I will give you 1 minute of time. Just go through this question Amma. Please go through this question. Sir, I want everyone to read the question actually. Okay. I have given you enough time, sir. So let me read the question. A soil is to be excavated from a borrow pit which has a density of 1.75 gram per cc and water content of 12 percentile. The specific gravity is 2.7. The soil is compacted to that a water content of 18 percentile and dry density of 1.65 percentile. For a 1000 meter cube of fill, estimate the quantity of soil to be excavated from the pit and amount of water to be added. Sir, this word has a lot of meaning. Is asking what is the amount of water to be added. Sir, this year in gate 25, it will be on the record, sir. I am thinking this kind of question, sir. Because every year if you see in the last 4-5 years, we are getting a formula, but it's just a guess. It is not 100%. Every year we are getting a question from void ratio or dry density or saturated. But this content they have not touched it until now. But just keep an eye on this content also. Now see students, what is the first here? I will tell you what is the thing here is. Now see students, if you consider this as a borrow pit. Okay, here my dear students, here I will consider this as a borrow pit. Okay. Now you are trying to bring the soil from this place and you are trying to fill it here. You are trying to fill it here. You are trying to fill it here. Okay, now my dear students, see here. It has a bulk unit weight gamma 1, water content 1, and you can say void ratio is given, or you can say volume is given, or here you can say gamma 2, water content 2, E2 and volume of fill. Okay. Now see, this is the things they have given. What is the first case they are asking, sir? For a 1000 meter cube of fill, what will be the volume of the borrow pit? Okay. Now see students, the borrow pit has a density of 1.75 gram per cc. Sir, see, gamma 1 is equal to 1.75 gram per cc. Agree or not, sir? And water content is how much, sir? 12 percentile. And my dear students, you don't know what is volume of V1. Okay, water content 1 and V1 you don't know. Okay. Now my dear students, here in this fill, they have given you gamma 2 is how much, sir? Gamma D2 they have given. Gamma D2. They have not given bulk unit weight. See students, here they have given dry density. Okay, here they have given dry density. Very good, sir. Very good, Arvind. Very good. Here dry density is how much? Here dry density is given as 1.65 gram per centimeter cube. And water content 2 is given as how much, sir? 18 percentile. And volume of the fill, V2 is given as how much, sir? 1000 meter cube. For a 1000 meter cube of fill they have asked. Okay, now my dear students, let me tell you here. Here it is how to find out gamma D1. Gamma D1 can be written as gamma 1 upon 1 plus water content. Sir, see, you have to calculate this. So here what is gamma D1, sir? You can say here 1.75 divided by 1.12. It will be, yeah. So it will be equal to 1.5625 gram per centimeter cube. Agree or not? Now see students, let me tell you one thing. You know gamma D is equal to what, sir? Weight of solids by total volume. Yes or no? Are you following, sir? Gamma D is equal to weight of solids by total volume. Now, please understand students, for a given soil, weight of solids is constant. Sir, I can do the problem in one step, sir, just to give an idea on each and every concept I am trying to say here. For a given solids, weight of solids is constant. So, can I write that gamma D is inversely proportional to volume? Yes, you can write this. Yes or no? So, from here you can write gamma D1 by gamma D2 can be written as V2 by V1. Now, what is gamma D2, sir? Gamma D1, 1.5625. Gamma D2 is how much? 1.65 is equal to V2 is how much? 1000 meter cube upon V1. Now, my dear students, if you solve, you will get volume of borrow pit. Volume of borrow pit. Arvind, you have told the right answer. Volume of the borrow pit is nothing but 1056 meter cube. What is the value, sir? You will get a value of 1056. Clear? Any doubts in this, Rocky or Arvind? Okay. Now, let me tell you another point. Sir is asking what is the quantity of water to be added. Sir, this has a lot of meaning here. Quantity of water to be added. What is the quantity of water to be added? Sir, see, this meaning added will have lot of things. Okay. Sir, what is this meaning of added? Let us understand. Now, see students, let me tell you one simple thing. We have a borrow pit. Okay. We have a borrow pit here. And we have a fill here. Okay. Now, see students, we have two things. One is the borrow pit and other one we have is what, sir? Fill. Now, if you talk about borrow pit, now see students, borrow pit has a water content of 1. Okay. Fill has a water content of 2. For suppose. Now, my dear students, what do you mean by water content, sir? Water content is nothing but weight of water by weight of solids. What do you mean by water content, my dear students? Weight of water by weight of solids. Now, here, weight of water can be written as what? Water content into weight of solids. But what he has asked in this problem, he has asked what is the extra amount of water to be added. That means there is some amount of water here or here. Whichever is higher, you will take as 2. So, when they ask you extra amount of water, when they ask you what is the extra amount of water, when they ask you what is the extra amount of water, it can be written as what, sir? When they ask you what is the extra amount of water, it can be written as water content 2 minus water content 1 into weight of solids. Okay, into weight of solids. I don't have space, sir. That is the wrong. Now, still, see student, let me tell you. Again, I am writing, sir, extra amount of water to be added. Extra amount of water to be added. Is given as what, sir? Water content of 2 minus water content of 1 into weight of solids. Now, see students, what do you mean by weight of solids? Gamma D is equal to weight of solids by total volume. Okay, now weight of solids can be written as gamma D into V. But see, my dear students, in the previous equation, in this problem, From this equation, what you can write here? You can write gamma D1 V1 is equal to gamma D2 V2. Both are same. Either you can take D1 V1 or you can take gamma D2 V2. Very good, very good, very good, sir. So here, if I talk about the extra amount of water, here I can write it as, sir, for easy calculation, I am taking gamma D2 V2 into water content 2 minus water content 1. Now, let me tell you one simple thing, students. See, Arvind has done 90,000, 99,000 and all. Sir, I will tell you one simple thing, how I will tell you. Sir, you know gamma D2 is given as how much, sir? 1.65 gram per cc. Sir, this is how you have to use your brain in IES and all the exams. And here volume V2 is given as 1000 meter cube. Now see students, gamma D2 is in 1 unit, centimeter cube. V2 is in meter cube. How can you solve easily? Let me tell you. Sir, see, 1 gram per centimeter cube is nothing but equal to 1 ton per meter cube. You can check it also, amma. 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1 ton per meter cube, both are same. So here what I can write here is 1.65 gram per centimeter cube. I'll write it as 1.65 ton per meter cube. I'll write it as 1.65 ton per meter cube. Agree or not? So here what is gamma D2, sir? 1.65 ton per meter cube into volume is how much, sir? 1000 meter cube. So here see, Arvind, you can observe the difference easily, how easily you can do. 0.18 minus, Rocky, you also please observe this, sir. 0.18 minus 0.12. So meter cube cancel, 1.65 or 1.6. So 1.65 is 1650. 1650 into 0.06. So it will be equal to 99 tons. Actually, he has asked the question in tons. So any doubts in this? Sir, it seems to be very simple, but you should be aware of this problem. So let me tell you the key points in this problem. The key points in this problem. What I would like to tell you here is, please understand, gamma D1 by gamma D2 is equal to V2 by V1. Next, water content is equal to weight of water by weight of solids. Next key point is gamma D is equal to gamma upon 1 plus water content. And what is the last key point we have, sir? Extra amount of water to be added. Extra amount of water to be added is given by the formula. Here I have written water content 2 minus water content 1 into gamma D1 by V1. Now, Rocky or Arvind, you can ask me this doubt, sir. Sir, every time it is 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. Sir, whichever is higher, it will be taken. If 1 is higher, it will be 1 minus 2. If 2 is higher, it will be 2 minus 1. Agree, sir? Agree? So, this is all we are all about the important problems. So, this is all about the important problems in the properties of soil, sir. Let me tell you the important formulas. Sir, again and again I am telling you, in properties of soil, you should be aware of the important formulae and the terms how they can ask you, sir. Now you see here, what are the important formulas you should understand here. Now see, the first important formula is E is equal to water content to G upon SR. Okay, gamma is equal to gamma W into G plus E into SR upon 1 plus E. Gamma sat is equal to gamma W into G plus E upon 1 plus E. Okay. Sir, you might be thinking why sir is explaining all the formulas again and again. But actually the formulas are the most important things in this chapter, sir. Gamma D is equal to gamma upon 1 plus water content. Gamma D is equal to gamma W into G upon 1 plus E. And here please understand students, G specific gravity is equal to unit weight of solids by unit weight of water. And remember, gamma W is equal to weight of water by volume of water. And this is 1 gram per cc, or it can be 1 ton per meter cube, or it can be 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. These are the standard values of unit weight of water. Agree, students? Okay. Now see, students, gamma dash is nothing but gamma sat minus gamma W. Okay. And you can write here water content is equal to weight of water by weight of solids. Okay. Next, porosity and void ratio is E upon 1 plus E. And you can write E is equal to volume of voids by volume of solids. Here, degree of saturation can be written as volume of water by volume of voids. Air content can be written as volume of air upon volume of voids. Air content plus degree of saturation is equal to 1. And you can write here, Na can be written as volume of air by total volume, or Na into AC. And you can write porosity is equal to volume of voids by total volume. Okay, sir, all these are the important formulas. I hope you are enjoying the sessions on this. Now, let me tell you the important things in this session, students. We at IMS Gate Academy are offering offline gate coaching, online gate coaching, and self-recorded sessions. We are providing, my dear students, 800 plus hours of gate coaching. Here we are giving you 34 years of gate question booklet. It has, remember students, we are the only institute where we are providing the QR code with the difficult level questions, and we are giving you the alternative solutions and key pointers. We are providing the subject-wise materials. We are providing the exercise book where it contains level 1, level 2, level 3 questions. And in these questions, we can have the MCQs, NITs and multiple select questions. And remember, my dear students, you have to test yourself at every juncture. So we are providing you 130 plus tests. In this test, it includes chapter-wise test, subject-wise test, advanced level test, multiple subject test. And remember, my dear students, we are also providing the most important thing is the All India mock test. And one more important thing, my dear students, the key success for the students at IMS Gate Academy is the one-to-one mentorship. See students, in the journey of the entire gate preparation, we are providing the mentorship. So we will give you a concrete plan, what you have to do in the first quarter, what you have to do in this month. In that way, we will give you a guidance and what should be, like based on the weightage of the subject, based on the complexity of the subject, we will give you the guidance. And based on this guidance, some weakness can be converted into your strength. And we are also providing the doubt solving portal, my dear students. In the doubt solving portal, if you post any doubt, the doubt will be resolved within 24 hours of time. So my dear students, let me tell you one important thing. We are only the Gate Coaching Institute who are providing the offline gate coaching at Andhra Pradesh, and we are at Vijayawada near Bench Circle. Apart from this, we are also providing the offline gate coaching at Jayanagar and Malleshwaram. At Jayanagar, you can visit our education advisor, Mr. Rahman. He is the right person to help you to like what are the features of this gate coaching, and you are from civil engineering, like what we provide, what content we deliver, all the programs, he can explain you in a better way. I hope this video will help you to quickly revise. And remember, my dear students, in GATE preparation, it requires a systematic approach and it cannot be done in a month or a 45 days, my dear students. If you are trying to plan for GATE 25 or 26, it is the right time to start your preparation. I hope this video will help you to solve the properties of soil subject, okay, properties of soil chapter. Thank you and all the best.